Hello everyone, Gail here. In this video, I want to talk about imposter syndrome. As a solo developer and content creator, this feeling has been creeping up on me lately, and I wanted to share my thoughts on how I handle it. Imposter syndrome is usually defined as a self-doubt of your skills, your intellect, your achievements. For me personally, I feel like I don't have anything valuable to share with others. Even though I've been doing game dev for the past 7 years, I still feel like I am a beginner and I have a long way to go. So why would people want to listen to me or play my games, right? But here's what I learned. The first things I've learned is that it's not about getting everything perfect. Okay, yeah, I still may need to learn lots of things. I definitely don't have everything figured out. So what? That doesn't mean that my work doesn't have value. I may not be super experienced yet, but my work has value because, on one hand, there is nobody like me. Nobody can create a game or a video with the exact same vision and ideas as me, which means I am creating something unique that nobody else can do. Even if what I end up doing is complete crap, it's something that nobody else can do, and that in itself has value. On the other hand, it's good for my mental health and self-growth. Working on my game, regardless of how many likes it gets or even if it makes me money, is extremely good for my mental health and self-growth. Video games are a work of art, and that means that I can have a place where I can express myself and learn who I am. As the famous quotes go, know thyself. Understanding why you are the way you are and where you come from is the basis to have a balanced and happy life. And if I can have that by doing something I love, doesn't that have value? The second thing I've learned is that imposter syndrome is always gonna be there. Regardless of how many evidence I have that I don't suck, imposter syndrome is most likely always gonna be there because it's deeply tied with self-confidence issues. And when you have low self-esteem growing up, your brain gets wired in a specific way that is difficult to change. So rather than trying to suppress or deny these feelings, in my opinion, I think it's more productive to work around them or even with them and try to use them for your advantage. Like for example, in my case, I am using these feelings to make a video, and you can use them to write a better character for your game or use them as a motivation to improve your workflow. My point is, something that can be initially negative can be turned into something positive if you give yourself a chance. What about you? How do you handle imposter syndrome? Leave a comment below, I would love to hear how you do it. So yeah, if you like this video, can I ask you a favor? Can you click that like and subscribe button? Because that is an indication for me that this is an interesting video to you and you want me to keep doing more. And if you want to know more about me or my journey as a solo game developer, you can click on this next video where I go in more detail about it. See you there!